Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play hook on harmonica. First, hold your harmonica firmly between your thumb and forefinger, ensuring a comfortable grip. Position your mouth to cover about 3 holes, creating a tight seal. Cup your hands around the instrument to form a resonant chamber, which amplifies the sound and adds depth. This foundational grip is crucial for clear, powerful tones. To play a hook, you first need to master single notes. You can achieve this by puckering your lips tightly around one hole or by using tongue blocking to isolate a single hole while covering others. Practice drawing air in and blowing air out through individual holes, aiming for a clear, distinct sound. Once comfortable, begin experimenting with bending notes, a key technique for the bluesy hook sound. The hook in harmonica playing typically involves a bent draw note, often on holes 2 or 3. For example, a common blues hook might use a bent draw on hole 2, followed by a quick blow on hole 3. Experiment with varying the intensity and duration of your breaths. Use short, sharp bursts of air to create a distinct, rhythmic feel. This technique adds a soulful, expressive quality to your playing. Consistent practice is essential for mastering harmonica hooks. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to focused exercises. Listen intently to recordings of blues harmonica masters to internalize the feel and timing of various hooks. Begin by playing new hooks very slowly, ensuring each note is clear and well articulated. Gradually increase your tempo as your control and confidence grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.